we're going to explain how to resolve the ORA-29024 Certificate Validation Failure in Oracle 18c.exe. This error typically pops up when your Oracle client application tries to connect to the database server and encounters problems verifying the server's SSL certificate. Let's break down the common causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect or expired certificate. The most frequent cause is an issue with the server's SSL certificate itself. It might be expired, self-signed, not trusted by default, or incorrectly configured on the server. To check this, first look at the certificate's expiry date. If it's passed, you need a new one. If it's self-signed, you'll have to explicitly trust it. More on this later. Examine the Oracle server's configuration files to ensure the certificate and its associated private key are correctly referenced and accessible. 2. Client-side trust issues. Even with a valid server certificate, your client application, like school developer or a custom application, might not trust the certificate's issuer. This often happens with self-signed certificates or certificates issued by a certificate authority, CA, that isn't included in your operating system's or client application's trusted root certificate store. You'll need to add the certificate to your trusted store. The exact steps vary based on your operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and client application. For example, on Windows, you might import the certificate into the Trusted Root Certification Authority's store. 3. Network connectivity problems. While seemingly unrelated, network issues can manifest as certificate validation failures. Ensure your client can reach the Oracle database server on the correct port, typically 1521. Check firewall settings on both client and server machines to ensure that network traffic on the necessary ports is allowed. A temporary network glitch can also cause intermittent certificate validation errors. 4. Incorrect Oracle client configuration. Your Oracle client might have incorrect settings related to SSL. Verify that the client's networking configuration correctly points to the database server and specifies the appropriate SSL parameters. Review your write-single-quote-skillnet.ora write-single-quote file. Checking the write-single-quote-skillnet.crypto_check wallet. Write single quote and other relevant SSL settings to ensure they are appropriately configured. 5. Wallet issues. Oracle uses wallets to store SSL certificates and keys. Problems with the wallet itself, incorrect path, corruption, or missing files, can also lead to ORA-29024. Ensure the wallet location is correctly specified in your write-single-quote-skillnet.ora write-single-quote file and that the wallet is accessible and not corrupted. Try recreating or importing the wallet if problems persist. 6. Operating system clock. Synchronization. This might sound unusual, but an incorrect system clock, significantly ahead or behind, on either the client or the server can cause certificate validation to fail. Ensure both machines have their system clocks properly synchronized with a reliable time source. Troubleshooting involves systematically investigating these areas. Start by checking the certificate's validity, then move to client-side trust, network connectivity, and finally, Oracle client configuration and wallet integrity. If you are still facing the error, consult Oracle's official documentation for your specific Oracle version and operating system for advanced troubleshooting steps. Remember to always back up your data before making any significant configuration changes.